What if everything you think is solid, real, and certain, is actually held together by forces you can't see? Imagine walking through life believing in the solidity of reality, only to discover that the universe itself is stitched by invisible threads. It sounds impossible, right? Yet, science reveals that the very fabric of existence, galaxies, stars, planets, even you, is guided by ghostly forces we can't touch, hear, or see. Fascinating space facts, dark matter, dark energy, and quantum mysteries hint at a reality stranger than fiction. Think about it, for centuries, humans trusted their senses, assuming perception equals reality. But mind-blowing science shows otherwise. Galaxies spin too fast, the universe expands mysteriously, and the quantum vacuum bubbles with unseen energy. What we take for granted as real is only the tip of a cosmic iceberg. Universe facts reveal that most of existence is hidden, inaccessible to our senses, yet shaping everything around us. Space storytelling has never been more mind-bending. It's not just science, it's personal. Every step you take, every thought, every breath occurs under the influence of forces that remain invisible. Gravity, quantum interactions, and cosmic background radiation subtly sculpt your world. Imagine being part of a reality where the majority of the rules are unseen. Mind-blowing science isn't abstract here, it's your life, your body, your existence. The universe is whispering secrets, and it's daring you to listen. And here's the paradox: the more we try to understand reality, the stranger it becomes. Dark matter, dark energy, and hypothetical forces defy intuition, leaving us questioning everything we thought we knew. Yet, this uncertainty isn't frightening, it's exhilarating. Each universe fact, each cosmic discovery, offers a glimpse of a hidden order, a deeper logic that connects everything in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. Space discoveries turn curiosity into adventure. So, are you ready to see the invisible? To uncover the ghostly forces holding reality together, guiding the cosmos, and shaping life itself? This isn't just about space facts or mind-blowing science, it's about changing the way you perceive everything around you. Every galaxy, every atom, every heartbeat is part of a story written in invisible ink. And as we dive into these cosmic mysteries, you'll begin to see the universe, and yourself, differently than ever before. Have you ever wondered how we can be sure something exists if we can't actually see it? It's a question that keeps scientists on their toes. When astronomers looked at galaxies spinning, they expected them to behave according to the matter we could observe. The stars should have been flung out into space, drifting apart slowly as the visible matter wasn't enough to hold them together. But, surprisingly, that didn't happen. Instead, galaxies stayed intact, rotating faster than physics said they should. This baffling observation hinted at something unseen, whispering its presence through cosmic clues. Imagine walking into a room and feeling a breeze on your skin, yet there's no window open. That's exactly how dark matter feels to scientists. We can't see it, touch it, or detect it directly, yet its gravitational pull is undeniable. Every galaxy, cluster, and cosmic structure subtly reveals its presence, like footprints in a sandstorm. When we map out galaxy rotations, the patterns scream at us, there's more here than meets the eye. Space discoveries like this are some of the most mind-blowing science facts because they challenge everything we thought we knew. The beauty of dark matter is in how it teaches us humility. Despite centuries of astronomy explained, the universe remains partially inaccessible to our senses. It's like trying to read a book in a language you only half understand. Scientists build models, test predictions, and still, this invisible matter defies direct detection. Each experiment, each observation adds a piece to the puzzle, but the full picture remains tantalizingly out of reach. It's cosmic storytelling at its finest, where the narrative is hidden, and we are the detectives. One of the most fascinating space facts about dark matter is how it shapes the universe without ever making a sound. It's the silent architect of galaxies, the invisible scaffolding that holds the cosmos together. Without it, stars would scatter, and the universe would look utterly different. Imagine trying to assemble a puzzle with half the pieces missing, except the missing pieces are the ones keeping everything in place. Deep space exploration continually confirms its presence through indirect effects, hinting at a world we can't fully touch yet. Yet, there are limits to what we can claim. Despite decades of space education videos and intensive research, dark matter remains elusive. It's only through its gravitational pull that we know it's there. Researchers employ complex instruments, particle detectors, and clever cosmic observations to catch glimpses of its influence, but a direct sighting is still out of reach. Every rotation curve of a galaxy tells a story, invisible forces are at play, and we're only beginning to read the first chapters. Think about how this invisible force affects not just galaxies, but our understanding of existence itself. The realization that a large portion of the universe is hidden from sight reshapes our place in the cosmos. It's humbling to know that while we walk on Earth thinking we understand gravity, there's an entire dark realm silently shaping the universe's fate. Each cosmic phenomenon we uncover, each universe fact revealed, reminds us how fragile our perception truly is. And as we peer deeper, space discoveries continue to intrigue us, challenging our assumptions. The invisible pull of dark matter hints at layers of reality we can't grasp, yet its effects are undeniable. Every star, every cluster whispers secrets of an unseen hand guiding cosmic evolution. It's a reminder that the universe explained is still only half the story, leaving us with awe and curiosity. Just as the breeze in a windowless room nudges us forward, these cosmic mysteries invite us to look closer, to question further, and to prepare for the surprises awaiting in the next chapter of exploration. Have you ever thought about what's pushing the universe apart? For centuries, scientists assumed that gravity would gradually slow down the cosmic expansion. It seemed simple enough, galaxies drift away from each other, but over time, gravity should pull them back, like a cosmic brake. Yet, observations shattered this expectation. Instead of slowing, the universe's expansion is speeding up, as if some invisible force is pushing everything outward. Space discoveries like this challenge everything we know about cosmic phenomena and leave us questioning the very fabric of reality. Imagine blowing up a balloon from the inside, but without touching it. That's what dark energy feels like, an unseen push that accelerates galaxies across deep space. Astronomers didn't just stumble upon this. Precise measurements of supernovae and galaxy distributions revealed that something unseeable is at work. It's fascinating space facts like this that make science explanations feel like detective work on a universal scale. Every calculation, every graph points to a mysterious agent operating behind the cosmic curtain. Dark energy isn't just a curiosity, it's rewriting the rules of the cosmos. Think about it, nearly 70% of the universe is made of this enigmatic force, yet we know almost nothing about its nature. It's mind-blowing science, because while we can detect its effects, the substance itself remains a ghostly mystery. Astronomers create models, test hypotheses, and still, the results defy common sense. This is universe explained in a way that constantly challenges human intuition. The cosmos is far stranger than our senses suggest. One of the most striking analogies is imagining someone pushing an invisible balloon from within. Every galaxy drifts outward faster and faster, seemingly guided by an unseen hand. It's a reminder that the universe operates on levels beyond our perception. Deep space exploration keeps revealing traces of this force through cosmic phenomena like galaxy clustering and the cosmic microwave background. Even space storytelling can't fully capture the eeriness and grandeur of a universe being molded by something we can't touch or see. Yet, with all these discoveries, uncertainty reigns. Scientists don't know the true nature of dark energy. Is it a property of space itself? A new field? Or something even more exotic? Space education videos barely scratch the surface, and yet, each observation adds a new layer to the cosmic puzzle. The acceleration of the universe's expansion is one of those universe facts that makes even the most seasoned astronomers pause and wonder, what else are we missing? Reflecting on this, the impact is deeply existential. Imagine living in a cosmos where the majority of its energy is invisible and incomprehensible. Every planet, every star, every galaxy is being guided by a force we cannot directly sense. It's humbling and thrilling at the same time. These cosmic mysteries teach patience and curiosity, reminding us that human perception is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to understanding the universe. And as we explore further, dark energy becomes a gateway to even stranger questions. How does it interact with gravity, matter, or the underlying structure of space itself? Space discoveries continue to tease us with clues, but the answers remain tantalizingly out of reach. Every universe fact uncovered feels like a whisper from the cosmos, inviting us to dive deeper. And this invisible push, this subtle cosmic nudge, naturally leads us to wonder what other ghostly forces might be shaping reality just beyond our perception. Have you ever wondered if the universe might be playing tricks on us with forces we haven't even discovered yet? For centuries, scientists assumed the cosmos only obeyed the four known forces: gravity, electromagnetism, and the strong and weak nuclear forces. Everything else was thought to be just noise. But recent hypotheses suggest there might be more, hidden forces quietly shaping the cosmos. Space discoveries like these remind us that mind-blowing science often lives just beyond the limits of our perception, waiting for us to catch a glimpse. Imagine an invisible conductor orchestrating a symphony we can't hear. That's how some physicists picture a potential fifth force, subtly influencing matter and dark matter interactions. We don't feel it directly, but its effects could be everywhere, from galaxy rotations to particle behavior. Deep space exploration and precise measurements hint at these ghostly interactions, teasing us with the possibility that the universe is more layered than our models suggest. Cosmic mysteries like this make astronomy explain not just a study of stars, but a journey into unseen realms. This isn't just theoretical. Experiments on Earth and in orbit are hunting for signs of these hidden forces. Tiny deviations in atomic behavior, anomalies in gravitational measurements, or unexpected particle collisions might all be hints of a new fundamental interaction. It's fascinating space facts like these that show how even in our labs, the universe keeps secrets. The very fabric of reality may be stitched together with threads we have yet to notice, guiding everything silently. The analogy of an invisible maestro isn't far off. Just like a conductor influences an orchestra without touching the instruments, these hypothetical forces could be shaping galaxies, stars, and even the delicate balance of life itself. Imagine a chess game where half the pieces move invisibly, yet the game proceeds flawlessly. That's the level of subtlety we're talking about. Space storytelling thrives here because it allows us to imagine the cosmos as a complex stage, with unseen actors performing silently behind the scenes. Yet, we must tread carefully. Research is ongoing, and results are often inconclusive or contradictory. Some signals might vanish under closer scrutiny, while others hint at profound implications. The limits of our knowledge are stark, reminding us that science explanations are always evolving. Cosmic phenomena continue to challenge assumptions, and every discovery, every anomaly, opens a new chapter in our understanding of the universe. The existential impact is profound. If unseen forces govern the cosmos, then reality itself is more intricate than our senses suggest. Human perception is limited, and our intuitions, shaped by everyday experiences, fail to capture these hidden interactions. It's a humbling lesson, a cosmic nudge to remain curious and open-minded. Fascinating space facts like this don't just expand our knowledge, they expand the way we think about existence itself. And as we follow these trails, the idea of ghostly forces naturally leads us to consider even stranger realms, like the interplay between dark matter, energy, and perhaps phenomena we haven't yet imagined. Every space discovery feels like a breadcrumb on a trail through the unknown. Universe facts pile up, revealing a cosmos that's richer, stranger, and far more intricate than our minds can fully grasp. And this ongoing search primes us perfectly for the next puzzle, the increasingly strange world of quantum vacuum. Have you ever been told that empty space is not empty at all? For centuries, scientists assumed the vacuum of space was nothingness, a true void. But quantum physics shattered that idea. It turns out, even the emptiest regions of the cosmos are teeming with activity. Particles flicker in and out of existence, energy pulses through the void, and the universe hums with invisible activity. Fascinating space facts like this challenge every assumption about reality and make mind-blowing science feel like a grand cosmic surprise. Even forces we can't see shape our everyday life. Gravity keeps our feet on the ground, radiation fills the background of space, and quantum interactions subtly influence matter, from the tiniest particles to entire planets. Imagine invisible waves in a pond shaping every ripple on the surface. That's the kind of influence these forces have. Space discoveries continually reveal that what we perceive directly is only a fraction of reality. Every leaf, every star, every particle participates in a cosmic dance orchestrated by unseen hands. Mind-blowing science shows us that even our bodies are molded by forces we will never see. We only perceive effects indirectly, yet they govern everything. Electromagnetic forces allow light to reach our eyes, gravity holds our solar system together, and dark energy pushes galaxies apart. It's like watching shadows on a wall and knowing there's a whole world outside the frame. Universe explained is never simple. Every observation hints at invisible layers, forces, and interactions beyond comprehension. Cosmic phenomena teach us humility, reminding us that human perception is remarkably limited, even as we explore further into deep space. Fascinating space facts lie just beyond what we can see. Our senses can be misleading. Quantum mechanics and relativity reveal that time, space, and matter behave differently than common sense suggests. It's like trying to understand the ocean by staring at a single glass of water. Invisible forces operate on scales we cannot grasp directly. Deep space exploration shows us that reality has layers, some accessible, others forever hidden. Mind-blowing science reminds us that what we call normal is just one perspective, and there's a deeper, more complex cosmos beyond our immediate perception. This realization demands cosmic humility. We live in a universe that defies intuition, where the most important forces remain unseen. Human perception is limited, and our understanding of existence is only partial. Yet, this limitation is not a weakness, it's an invitation. Space storytelling transforms these discoveries into a personal journey, encouraging us to imagine a reality far larger, stranger, and more intricate than our senses allow. Universe facts challenge our assumptions, encouraging curiosity and wonder, and igniting a desire to explore the invisible threads that bind everything. Living in a universe guided by invisible forces provokes deep reflection. What does it mean for our lives, our choices, our understanding of reality? The cosmos is full of mystery, chaos, and hidden structure, yet it operates with astonishing precision. Imagine being passengers on an invisible machine, guided by hands we cannot see. Fascinating space facts show us that the universe is simultaneously awe-inspiring and humbling. Mind-blowing science invites us to rethink existence, to embrace uncertainty, and to marvel at the hidden forces shaping our world. The implications are both philosophical and practical. Invisible forces shape stars, planets, and life itself. Every decision, every discovery, is part of a reality layered with unseen interactions. Space discoveries reveal that understanding these forces gives us a deeper appreciation for existence. Universe Explained teaches that even as we explore, question, and learn, we remain humble students in a vast cosmic classroom. Every observation is a doorway into mysteries that challenge, inspire, and excite. As we reflect on the cosmos, the takeaway is clear: the universe is stranger and more beautiful than we ever imagined. Every unseen force, from dark matter to quantum fluctuations, shapes life and reality in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. Fascinating space facts, cosmic mysteries, and mind-blowing science invite us to look closer, to wonder more, and to recognize that reality is not just what we see, it's what we uncover, explore, and imagine. So, what can you do with this knowledge? How can understanding invisible forces transform your life and curiosity? Take a moment to reflect. Even if most of reality is hidden, your exploration matters. Ask questions, read books like Cosmos by Carl Sagan or Astrophysics for People in a Hurry by Neil deGrasse Tyson, watch space education videos, and dive into deep space exploration content. Engage with cosmic phenomena, challenge assumptions, and imagine yourself as part of this incredible universe. Your perspective becomes richer when you recognize that unseen forces are shaping everything around you. Don't stop here. Every fact, every discovery, every invisible force is a doorway to more questions. What other cosmic mysteries await? How does dark energy interact with matter? Could new forces exist beyond our imagination? Space storytelling isn't just entertainment, it's an invitation to participate in the grandest adventure of all, understanding reality itself. Fascinating space facts teach that learning is a journey, curiosity is essential, and the universe rewards those who dare to explore. If you've enjoyed this journey through the invisible forces shaping our universe, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to continue exploring mind-blowing science. And before you go, check out the video on your screen. it's another deep dive into cosmic mysteries that will expand your understanding of the universe. Universe facts, cosmic phenomena, and fascinating space facts await. Keep asking, keep exploring, and remember, reality is far richer than what meets the eye.